5 foods that destroy your kidneys, and you should never more to eat them. Hey everyone, today we're diving into an important topic, the top 5 foods that can destroy your kidneys. If you care about your kidney health, you'll want to stick around for this one. Our kidneys are vital organs that filter waste and excess fluids from our blood, but certain foods can harm them over time. Let's jump right in with number 1. Number 1 on our list is processed meats. Processed meats like hot dogs, bacon, and deli meats are loaded with preservatives and high amounts of sodium. The excessive salt can lead to high blood pressure, which is one of the leading causes of kidney damage. Try to limit your intake of these meats and opt for fresh, lean cuts instead. Number 2 is canned soups. Canned soups are convenient, but they often contain sky-high levels of sodium. Just one serving can exceed your daily recommended intake. This puts a lot of strain on your kidneys. If you love soup, consider making your own at home with fresh ingredients and minimal salt. Coming in at number 3, sodas and sugary drinks. Sodas and sugary drinks are bad news for your kidneys. They contain high fructose corn syrup, which can lead to increased blood sugar levels. Over time, this can cause insulin resistance and diabetes, both of which are major risk factors for kidney disease. Switch to water, herbal teas, or natural fruit juices instead. Number 4 is artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners found in diet sodas and many sugar-free products can also harm your kidney. Studies have shown that long-term consumption can lead to a decline in kidney function. It's better to use natural sweeteners like honey or stevia in moderation. And finally, number 5, fried foods. Fried foods are typically high in unhealthy fats and sodium. Consuming these regularly can lead to obesity, high blood pressure, and diabetes, all of which increase the risk of kidney damage. Try baking, grilling, or steaming your foods for a healthier alternative. So there you have it. The top 5 foods that can destroy your kidneys. By reducing your intake of these foods, you can help protect your kidneys and improve your overall health. Remember, staying hydrated with plenty of water is also crucial for kidney health. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Healthy Tips.